Welcome back to Meaningful Creations, where I have my friend Nick here today. You say hi?
Hi.
Nick is helping me today with a special project. He's going to be working on it here while I talk for a little bit. You know, I love to talk. I want to tell you a few things about Meaningful Days. We have a few things going on. We have counseling available in Jeffersonville and in Brownsburg. We also have speech therapy available in Brownsburg and in Indianapolis. And please follow us on our normal social media on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. And subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you probably are if you're watching this anyway. Anyways, so today we're making this very cool project, which is actually like a faux little fire thing that Nick is doing right now for us. You start with a clear cup. Here's another piece of tissue paper. You start with just a basic clear cup, and you just put some glue on it, which Nick and I have been working on here with the help of my lovely friend here, Nina, who is so creative. She finds all these cool things for us to do. And then you put the tissue paper on it, and I'm just going to show one here, although Nick's been doing a really nice job here. And once you get lots of tissue paper on it, like this one, you put a light underneath it, make it look like a fire. And then you take pieces of brown paper. So if we wanted to do ours here, we'd put these are our logs that we're going to put underneath here for our fire. Dun, dun, dun. So you just take regular pieces of brown construction paper, put them underneath here. Should I put one more log underneath there, Nick? What do you think? We need another one? Okay. Is that enough, or should we put another one underneath there? Another one. Okay, Nick says one more. So we're going to put one more underneath there. I agree. We needed another log underneath there. So you put your logs underneath there. You put your light underneath there. See if we can get a light to work. Of course, I can't get a light to work. Well, that one works. And then you take some more glue and you glue a cotton puff to a stick. And what did we decide this is? Do you remember what this is? Marshmallow. It's a marshmallow on a stick. So you can roast your marshmallow over your fire. So it makes for a fun little thing to do, and makes for a little light thing. If you want to hit the light over there, maybe we can even see what it looks like. Can you see the light underneath that one? So just kind of a fun thing for harvest time. Just kind of a fun thing to do. So anyways, keep watching Meaningful Creations, and we'll see you again next month, and have a great month. Thank you.